This video is about cutting and leaf propagation comparison in Kalanchoe Humilis. Let's see the cutting propagation first. 3 to 5 leaves is ideal, but you can also do with more or lesser leaves. You can propagate by air, soil, or water. This will be shown in a video I'm working on, so watch out for it. After 2 weeks, you'll see roots along the stem. I'll cut this to make 2 plants out of this one. See how the roots are doing in these cuttings. At this point, you may choose to continue waiting for the roots to grow more. But I choose to pot it. I don't want to dry the roots out. Water it well. I use misting method at this age, until it reaches 4 to 6 weeks, because the roots are still very shallow at this age. Keep the soil moist from 2 weeks to 4 or 6 weeks. After that, you can slowly introduce it to normal watering intervals, with intervals of 5 days or more, depending on your location's temperature. Now let's see the leaf propagation. Taking the leaf out is a little bit tricky on most Kalanchoes, so take your time. Take a clean cut leaf. Should be without damage. Barely bury the tip. If you bury a bigger part of the leaf, it will encourage rot. I posted a link of this experiment in the description below, so just bury the tip. I also bury it sideways so when you water, it will drain down fast, and water will not stay on top of the leaf. After 2 weeks, most succulents develop roots, so water it, to help encourage grow more roots, and help the leaf take in water through its roots. Again, I prefer to mist at this age, but you can water it whatever works for you. Here's a sample which I propagated 4 weeks ago. As you can see, the roots are doing great. There's also a new plant growth. Now, let's compare. Cutting propagation in just 2 weeks. Looks almost an adult plant, while leaf propagation in 4 weeks. Still looks a baby plant. You judge, which is better? Cutting propagation or leaf propagation? Please comment your answers below. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.